My little supervisor's down there just working so hard. That's my little bobtail Siamese, and this is an episode of Will It Run Again? So that is a Champion 2500 watt inverter generator. That is the newer control panels. That's the older control panels, and this is the engine that seized. This is the engine I'm actually putting back together. So it really didn't do too bad of damage to the rod in there, but what it did was it stuck itself to the back cover, and I got almost everything cleaned up. So it gouged in some aluminum out of the back cover and stuck it to the crankshaft. Got most of it cleaned up, so we're robbing some of the parts off of this one right here to make this one work again. I get 12 to 13, sometimes 14 hours out of this guy. Does great, runs refrigerator, runs a microwave, coffee maker at the off-grid ranch, at the little cabin, so everything works good, but we'll see if this works again. What do you guys think? Comment below.